Guys, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, the sun is beginning to come out, and I'm just taking a morning stroll through the bushes, hills and the valleys. Anybody who live in the country area should know that you have a lot of gullies. So you have gully on one side. I don't know if you guys can see the gully. So you have gully on one side, and then you have hill on the other side. Trust me, there's nothing better than waking up and taking a stroll in the morning through these areas, because there's beautiful trees and all that, and hearing the birds in the morning is the best thing. There's nothing like nature for me, guys. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you can see that I really like nature. So guys, whenever rain fall too hard now, you know, so right, it's so full of water, because gully I run like crazy. So I'm just taking a morning stroll, guys. So one rock stone there. So these things we used back in the days, we used them for seat. You just sit up on a rock stone, hold a meds on a rock stone. And you have some plants right here. These can be used as flowers for decorating your home. Just plant them alongside your walkway. And here we have a pimento tree. Let me show you the pimento leaves. So that's a pimento tree. It's not bearing right now, but they use the fruits for like spices and all that. And then here we have a, as we call it, a hackberry tree. Hackberry, I don't think hackberry is in season as yet. And here is a smaller one. And then here we have a and guys, hackberry is, for all of those who don't know, hackberry is a fruit. They can be eaten. And then here we have a nickel tree. Now nickel bear a fruit also, but it can't be eaten. You have to, like, they say it's good in herbal medicine. It's good for a lot of stuff. So you can pick the fruit, roast the fruit, and then beat the fruit and take it to make like tea or things like that. And here we have a logwood maca tree. People don't make this thing catch you, cause it joke like crazy, yo. You come with some maca on it and you joke. They mostly use these things for like fencing. Here's a bigger one. So whenever I get big enough, they use it for like fencing. And then they chop down one here, so I guess they're using it for fencing or some kind of a post. So yes guys, this is my morning walk. So tread along the road. Oh god, it's a very steep hill. You see people around hose, run water, go over them ground. I wish I could see a bird to show you guys. I can hear them, but I can't see them. I wish there was a bird. Guys, can you see that hill? Oh my god. So I'm surrounded by a bush right now. There are bushes. This is the life when you live in the country, yo. And the morning is very cold. See the sun peeking up right there, so sun not peek out. Anyways guys, I'm gonna head back, so thanks so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video and leave a comment. Tell me guys, where do you work during the morning period? Bye guys.